Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unhide likes on Instagram if you hide them before. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app and then hit right here at your profile picture to open up your profile page. Then you can open up any post, just tap on that, and as you can see just underneath the post it says that it liked by that user and others. It doesn't show me the exact number of users liked that post because I've hidden all likes at that particular post. As you can see right here, it shows me that post liked by that user and 15 others. So in any time you can unhide those likes. All you have to do is just tap right here at three dots icon and then just hit at unhide like count. And now it shows 30 others, and you can hit right here to see the exact list of users like that post. And in any time, if you want to hide some of likes at any of your posts, you just have to do the same steps. Hit at three dots icon and then hit at hide like count. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.